Hey guys, let's go shopping at BELoW.
Oh, the Natalie Show, 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 the Natalie Show.
Today on the non-stop Natalie Show. Hey guys, come to BELoW and they have these.
Only $5.
Follow me, guys. I found this. So follow me, guys. And I'm bouncing this bounce ball. Come back here. And it's rainbow. And I can catch this very good, guys. Watch. I love bouncing it. This is my favorite. Got it in time, guys. I can tell you more stuff. I want this pillow so badly. I love unicorns.
Popper or this pillow?
Both.
Oh, that's Daddy.
Here's for your cat lovers, catnip bubbles. This will drive your cat wild.
Meow.
We have this. It's called a pose ball. My favorite yoga dice. I'm gonna throw it up in the air. Let's see what it lands on. And the triangle pose. That's easy. That's so easy, guys. Downward dog. Facing dog. Okay, that's easy. Hey guys, it's me, Natalie. Guess what we bought? A Poppet.
Take it out, take it out.
In the first place, I got it out, but the second place I did.
Show us.
It's a hand poppet.
I love it.
Me too. I want a poppet all day and night. Hey guys, it's me, Natalie. Lucas' grandpa bought this, and it's a blue go-kart, and this goes 1,000 per aisle. It does. Let me show you an example. Hey guys, it's me, Natalie. This is my new toy.
What'd you get?
It's a new one from Luca. First, you put them in water and then light them up. And then second, leave them floating on the water and then it squirts up. I'm eating my food and I'm watching Roblox Daycare 2 story. Guys, here's your legs flap. Flippy flap, flippy flap, flippy 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 flap. Hey guys, it's me, Natalie. We got Sharpie and a little stroller.
And here's Angel. She's a good girl. She doesn't like to walk with anybody but Mommy.
But we gotta wait for Daddy here.
So when Daddy takes her for a walk, she stays right where she's at and she won't move. You can see Luna, guys. She's over here visiting. So this morning, Sharpie and Angel are bright and early. We're gonna go and we're going to get them their rabies shot, 3-year rabies shot. So last time they had their rabies shot was 3 years ago, this month. So we gotta get that done today. Here we are, we're all ready to go. Bye guys.
Bye.
Oh, the Natalie Show, 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 the Natalie Show.
Guys, I'm really non-stop.